don't share your link to anybody, family, friends, immediately after posting your videos, especially as a new YouTuber. Like, you are just starting to create content. It has its own side effects, which I'm going to share with you in this video. But before that, let me share with you my experience as a new content creator, how sharing of link affected my channel. As a new content creator, I opened my channel 4 months ago, but let me just say 3 months ago, because all through my first month, I think I was just juggling around. I don't really know what this YouTube street is all about. I just get the idea of for me to just come and open a channel, right? So after opening my channel, I create an introduction video which I've deleted, and I post that video and I put it is made for kids. Automatically my comment section is off. Nobody can comment, because why? That particular video is made for kids, which I have no idea about, right? So I copied the link and I shared it to my WhatsApp status. I invited my friends over to come and watch that particular video. I got 50 views from that particular video, but not like immediately, but as times goes on, I think for like 2 days, the second day I got up to 50 views. And in that process, I noticed that nobody were commenting, and I go ahead and like asked one of my friends that, why didn't you comment? And she told me that the comment section is off, that she cannot comment. I was like, I was not thinking in my head, what could have caused this? I thought I owned this comment section. So I go ahead to make my research about this made for kids and not made for kids, and I get to know that it was because of I actually put that particular video made for kids. That is why the comment section is automatically off. I've deleted that video now anyways. So I was so happy that I got 50 views, right? But 50 views, I was having just 8 subscribers. You see, I was having 8 subscribers. Now those people that actually come to watch my videos, my friends, family and friends, and invited their own friends to come watch my videos, they might watch halfway, they might watch and just like the video, but they did not actually subscribe because they are not interested in my YouTube channel. Some of them don't even know how YouTube works. I get to know that a lot of my friends don't even watch videos from YouTube. They don't know where to subscribe for. They don't know how YouTube works. Like the next week, I posted another video. And after I posted that video, the first time I shared the link immediately. I shared the link to my WhatsApp status, and I noticed that like I have 8 views in that particular video. Nobody subscribed. It's also frustrating because I don't know how you're going to feel about this. I was so down because I felt like nobody wants to see another part of me, because then I was doing a day in my life, right? That I'm not really trying my best. And after them watching that particular video, I noticed that YouTube did not push that video to any of my new viewers or to my right audience, right? YouTube did not push that video. I'm going to share with you the reason why, which is the main reason why you should stop sharing your link, especially as a new YouTuber starting to create content. It affects your videos. I'm going to share with you the reason why. After that, I noticed that I didn't get views. I started getting kind of worried. Why is YouTube not pushing my video? I actually make a lot of research, and I get to know, and I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I get to know that sharing of link can affect your video, especially as a new content creator. Now get me right, emphasize on as a new content creator. Why? Because of you are still trying, the algorithm is still trying to get your right audience that are interested in your video. So why sharing your link to people that are not interested in your video? And in that process of you sharing your link, thinking that you are doing the right thing, those people will come. They will just click on the video. They won't even watch. They'll just click on the video, like and comment, and they goes away. They've killed that video. Because why? They are the first people to come and watch that video. They've given YouTube the impression that that video is not good enough to push out. I don't know if you've noticed this thing. If you share your link immediately to your family and friends, and they come to watch that particular video, you notice that after them watching that video, the amount of views we get, the next day YouTube is not pushing that video. That is how that video will just be stuck. It will not even move. Maybe if you want to move, it will move it to 1 views and all that. Now the reason now is because of they come to click on that video, they didn't watch that video. Because why? They are not interested. They only come because of you sent them the link for them to come and watch that video. And in the process of them coming to watch that video without them watching, they just come to click on it, comment, like, and just go away. Some will even skip the video. They'll watch halfway and skip to the end. They are killing that video. What I have observed as a new content creator, that after posting that video, I get to know that if I post another video, I don't longer get any views until I share that link to any of my family and friends to come and watch. And after them watching that video, YouTube will no longer push that video out there to my right audience. Now this is because of have not given YouTube the time for them to study that particular video immediately after posting video. Because immediately after posting your video, it takes up to 1 hour for the algorithm to study your video first of all, before they will start pushing it out to your right audience, especially as a new content creator. I emphasize as a new content creator because why? You've not gotten your subscribers yet. You've not gotten people that love your video, that love your content, that love what you are doing, right? It also plays another role. This sharing of link can actually work in another way. Why? You have gotten your subscribers. Let me just say, for instance, you've gotten up to 2,000 subscribers, and those subscribers are genuine subscribers that love your content, right? They love what you are doing, and that is why they subscribe to your channel. So immediately they come to watch, immediately you upload a new video, definitely they will come and watch your video. So in that process, you can also share your link to people out there, because you know that they are not just the people that will come and watch your video. You still have subscribers that will still come to watch your video, that genuinely love your content. That is another way around. But as a new content creator, I'm not advising you to start sharing your link immediately after posting your video. It affects your video. Like, you do not give the algorithm the time to study your video, to know what your video is all about, for them to know the right audience to push that video to. That's why I used to see a lot of content creators complain that they don't have views, they don't do this. There are some certain things you need to stop, you need to take note of. This thing is not working in my channel. Stop it and try something new. I get to know that it doesn't work for me, and I stop sharing my link. Immediately I post my video, I will just give YouTube the time for them to do their own thing, for them to take their time to study that particular video and to know my right audience that are pushing that video to. You understand? So in that process of me giving YouTube the time, as of then I'll be like getting a little views one after the other, because YouTube loves engagement. It's just like how your audience resonates with your videos, the impression they give to that video, that would encourage YouTube algorithm to push that video to more audience. But once they keep pushing that video and no one is watching that particular video, YouTube will just stop pushing the video. That is why most of the times you upload a video and you notice that some video perform more than the rest. That is just because the way your audience resonates to your video, that is how the algorithm will keep pushing your video or not. Don't give up. Even if you feel everybody has given up on you, maybe YouTube has given up on you, don't give up. As long as you are on the right track, one day you're going to get it right. Up, continue posting. Just know your posting time, know the right time to post, study your algorithm. Make sure you study your YouTube studio very well for you to know how each videos perform. So this will be the end of this video. If you feel this video was helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe and join this beautiful family. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you on our next one. Bye.